Are you curious about the process of running samples on the Automated Total Nitrosamine Analyzer? Today, we are going to walk you through the step-by-step testing of ranitidine tablets using this advanced analytical instrument. For those who are new to the Automated Total Nitrosamine Analyzer, a detailed video explaining its functionalities is available through the link below. Before we dive into the sample preparation, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you find this video informative. By doing so, you can stay updated on the latest advancements in the nitrosamine testing. Now let's proceed with the sample prep. It's important to note that the sample preparation steps demonstrated here are specifically tailored for ranitidine. Your current sample preparation methods will likely remain unchanged when utilizing this analyzer. First step in our sample preparation process is to grind a tablet using a mortar and pestle. The objective is to obtain approximately 3 grams of finely ground tablet material. Depending on the weight of each tablet, you may need to adjust the number accordingly. For instance, grinding 4 tablets would be necessary if each tablet weighs around 1 gram. Although this process may seem simple, it plays a crucial role in ensuring the accuracy and reliability of the sample. Next, we weigh roughly 3 grams of the ground tablet into an extraction vial. Once the correct amount of sample is inside the vial, it's time to add 5 ml of methanol. Mixing the mixture thoroughly is essential after adding the methanol to the ground tablet. We recommend using a vortex mixture for this step. The vortex mixture ensures even distribution of methanol throughout the sample and helps break up any small clumps of tablet material. To achieve accurate results, it's crucial to vortex the mixture for appropriate duration. Generally, 30 seconds of vortexing is sufficient, but you can adjust the time based on the specific requirements of your testing process. After vortexing, the mixture is placed onto a roller for 2 hours. The roller ensures that the sample is constantly agitated, which helps to maximize the extraction efficiency of any nitrosamines present. After the 2-hour extraction period, the next step is centrifugation. Centrifugation aids in separating the solid particles from the liquids, making removing the solvent layer containing the nitrosamines easier. Now, using a pipette, we filter the mixture before transferring a 2 ml aliquot of the sample into a 10 ml vial. Then, we add the reaction mixture to the vial and tightly seal it. Sample preparation is done. We can now use the Automated Total Nitrosamine Analyzer. To begin, it is necessary to configure the software with the specific method or methods you intend to use. These methods determine the machine's actions and the duration of each step in the analysis process. In this demonstration with ranitidine, our analysis method involves several steps, including vortexing, heating, and cooling, before injecting any liberated NO. One of the key advantages of this machine is the ability to customize the methods for each analysis. It offers exceptional flexibility, allowing for the sequential execution of different methods. This is particularly useful when analyzing various sample types within the same batch. By setting up distinct methods for each sample, you can conveniently run them in a single sequence, saving time and optimizing efficiency. The first step of the Automated Total Nitrosamine Analyzer is vortexing the sample to ensure thorough mixing with the reaction mixture. The mixed sample is then transferred to the heated agitator, where it will remain for approximately 10 minutes. This triggers the chemical reaction between the hydrobromic acid in the reaction mixture and the nitrosamines, leading to NO liberation. The sample is then returned to the vortex for the second time. The purpose of this vortex is to increase the sample surface area to volume ratio, which in turn increases the amount of NO released in the vial's headspace. Once removed from the vortex, the sample is placed back in the rack to cool. After the sample has cooled, the Automated Total Nitrosamine Analyser draws a sample from the headspace of the vial and injects it into the TEA through a specialized inlet. Following the TEA's detection of nitrosamines in your samples, the results are transmitted to our chromatography software, Illusion. This user-friendly software can receive and analyze results in real time, providing immediate feedback on the nitrosamine levels in your samples. When running multiple samples sequentially, Illusion's overlay display capability allows you to visually compare the results in real time. This feature enables the identification of trends and patterns across multiple samples, facilitating side-by-side comparisons for comprehensive analysis. Additionally, the Illusion software features a powerful data analysis tool that offers detailed information on each sample, including retention time, peak areas, and peak heights. This comprehensive data can be used to create custom reports which can be easily exported in formats like Excel or PDF. You can then share your results quickly and accurately with other stakeholders. Please visit the link below to learn more about the Automated Total Nitrosamine Analyser and how it can streamline your nitrosamine testing.